Brian here with Grant Boys Honey, checking out the supers and the cut comb frames. They're looking really good. Check it out. Alright, this is the one I wanted to show you. They're looking really good. It does have some pollen in it. That's okay. But it also has capped honey. Let's take a look at this. See the wax? It's capped over, ready to process. Going. Let's take a look at these frames and see if they're putting any honey in them. I think I see some honey. Let's look at the difference between a new frame with no wax and a frame that has wax the bees built out. This frame here has no wax, it's flat. But look at this one. See the wax that they built?